Welcome back. The showdown in Jadavpur University over the student's death continues. In fact, we're getting you visuals from outside the university where the BJP was holding a sit-in dharna. Now the police has reached the spot to clear the protest venue. The BJP is alleging that the police and the cops are acting at the behest of TMC and that only BJP workers are being asked to leave despite having taken permission, is the claim of the BJP workers. Shreya is getting us more live updates. Yes, Shreya, what are the BJP workers planning to do next?
As you can see right now, I'm standing in front of ADP. As you can see, there is a protest stage, and this is the stage where they have been sitting in dharna for the last few days. We have seen them. Remember, Shubhendu Adhikari gave a demonstration right from here, and today, as you can see, police have come. They're removing the dharna mancha, and what the BJP workers are claiming is that they have permission. Now, while we try to ask the police whether or not they had permission, police is not answering to us. Let me go across to more people and try to understand whether or not they had a permission. Why are they being removed? मैं आपके पास आना चाहती हूँ. अभी पुलिस आपका जो स्टेज है वो रिमूव कर रहा है. क्या हुआ है? आप लोगों के पास परमिशन नहीं था?
हम लोग हाई कोर्ट के थ्रू इंटीमेशन दे के रखे थे. जब आज आके पुलिस बोल रही है कि आप लोगों के पास परमिशन नहीं है, तो मैं पुलिस से पूछना चाहती हूँ कि अब जो 2 दिन धरना मंच चला तो किस बेसिस पे चला. आज अगर पास में तृणमूल छात्र परिषद का मंच पे चल नहीं रहा है, बंद हो जा रहा है, तो जबरदस्ती ये बीजेपी युवा मोर्चा का भी मंच को खोलना हो रहा है. क्योंकि पुलिस इस तरह से ममता बनर्जी के पेट बन गए हैं कि जब तक तृणमूल का मंच नहीं चल रहा है तो वहां पे बीजेपी का मंच नहीं चल सकता है. इसलिए पुलिस से जब पूछा जा रहा है कि 2 दिन किस बेसिस पे फिर चल रहा था, पुलिस बोले हम आप लोगों को जवाब देने के लिए सिक्योरिटी दे रहा था 2 दिन. अब जब तृणमूल का मंच नहीं चला तो भाजपा के मंच को खोलने के लोग आ गए. तो ये तो सरासर जबरदस्ती चला रहा है पुलिस.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Let me show you. I'll ask my VJ to show you, that side, that is the side where TMC, just a distance of 5 minutes from here, is also holding a protest since the last 2-3 days. They are also holding a sit-in dharna. And what the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha is saying, while police never said anything to the TMC holding a protest and dharna, they are now coming and attacking the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. They are forcefully removing them. As you have seen, we have been talking to people, and as you can see behind me, police is there. They're forcefully removing the stage, and Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha is claiming that they had permission, and police is not giving them a clear reason why they are being removed. And what police is saying is that they do not have permission, while the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, keeps claiming that they had permission.
All right, Shreya, keep on tracking all the developments, reactions. For the moment, we're taking a very short break. We'll come back to you for more updates.